So, here we have the Mario Kart DS kiosk demo version. The version where, you know, I can actually press select and then I get the debug menu. And if we select our course to be Desert Hills, you'll notice that it looks really similar to the final version. But this pyramid here, if you look at the bottom screen, it's a pond. We're putting the pond back in because I hate this pyramid. We're not doing anything else to fix this course. And this course is in fact slightly worse in this version because the drifting method sucks. I, however, have a star. Thankfully, my file isn't loading. Thankfully, I already have all the Mario Kart DS files as things. So I can just grab the newest version of Desert Hills, and you can see it looks like Desert Hills. But it's got this stinking thing in the way, and this UV mapping is bad. Yeah, I think that's fixed it. We're going to grab this pyramid, and we've now got a big hole in the ground. Now, if you think I'm going to, you know, look up what the shape of that pond was, no, I've got it in my memory, and even then, I don't. Delete those ones, yes. Yeah, delete that one as well. Why not? Delete. So now we need to make it a pond. Now, if we look at the top-down view, you can see we've got a massive hole where the pyramid was. Duplicate it, move it under here. Oh no, it's higher. They got two water tables. Maybe we jumped the gun on the water a bit early. I remember there being a randomize option. Randomize. I like the first one, to be honest. To approximately the same height as everything else because I don't really care. And we just need to kind of just fill in why. What is that? Thank God for triangulate faces. Extend downwards. Yeah, that's enough. Which texture is road clip? Really? It's just the road texture on its... What? I didn't know that. I thought it was gonna be like... Nice. UV mapping is not a good career choice. Now, you may notice this kind of looks kind of bad. What the hell is this shape? Triangulate. And then we'll rotate it by this much to make it look slightly more natural. Hey, you can't tell it's there. You won't be able to tell it's there in the race. Okay, now you may notice that there was another thing on that minimap that I've nearly completely forgotten because I don't really remember what it looked like. It was a bridge. It needs to be a bit wider, a lot longer. Now, was it completely flat? Was it a big old arch bridge? I don't know. Frankly, I don't care. So now you want to select these three, and we want to choose a texture. Maybe I should look at that. The darn thing. It's like this weird sandstone color, which is surprising considering everything here is sandstone. So, we need a smooth sandstone texture. I have to like, face textures of it? You know what? Give me the image. Please give me smooth sandstone texture. That'll work. That is noisy as hell. Save. Now this is clearly fixing Mario Kart DS. Like obviously we're improving Desert Hills. This is the bridge. New texture. Bridge. Order road. Bridge. That's our bridge. It's a bit flat. We need. I think it may need some depth. And that's how you add a pond of water to Mario Kart DS. We now actually got to put it into Mario Kart. Oh, we got the collision as well. That's a problem for me in about 5 minutes from now. Wow, look at our epic bridge. Wow, it fits in the game so well. But we got to deal with this thing. The fact there's a giant pyramid in the way. Why is it modeled like this? Why is it like the pyramid inside this box? So we need to go edit. We need to select everything that we changed from the pyramid, which is basically everything in the square. Separate or split? Separate. Selection. The pond. That's Pong, but Desert Hills. That's not Desert Hills! Going down by 0.0625. Delete the bounding box of the pyramid because I hate looking at it. And you see we've now got the Pong underneath this one, so we now got to delete everything related to this pyramid. So we can then put in, so the Pong will work. Thankfully, the collision is relatively similar to the normal course model, so that should just work. Nice. Like a slice of bread. Now, we go object, we go file, we go export, we missed the entire thing, we go export, we do wafen. We go to where we got it from, we write, and wall. Generate. Wow, look at it looks so nice. I've kind of noticed an issue, but I don't really care about it. Wow, bridge! Now we get to see the fact that the audio capture isn't capturing MKDS. God damn you. Alright. Desert Hills, but this is the bottom version, you can tell because there's now a sun. And you can see the pyramid's gone. And I'm nearly gone. And it's now. Nice. Ignore the fact that it's not on the bottom screen. But and you can fall in the water. And the water splash is all the way up there because I'm stupid and I probably should have set it to airfall, but you know how the heights are different? Well, let's go test it on real hardware, I guess. Well, here we are. I've got a new set, so now I'm actually sitting upright. And I'm still using the Nintendo DS headset as a microphone. Now, we gotta test it. We'll test it in a versus race, even though no CPUs will take it. Will our Desert Hill shenanigans work? They should work. I mean, considering the race is loaded for a start, it means it should definitely work. The pyramid's gone, and our little bridge is here. That's nice. So perfectly integrated into the environment. Ignore the water splash. And in tune with fixing Mario Kart DS, we have done absolutely nothing else to the rest of this awful course I hate playing to make it any better. No, we've just reverted something that Nintendo actively removed. My shoulder button's busted. Well, that's the video. If you liked it, then consider becoming a channel member for the lowest price I set it to. Alternatively, you can like, subscribe. That could be nice. Give me ideas of what else I can do to fix Mario Kart DS. That's definitely not just doing stupid stuff to it. And, enjoy. I got a fib!